Strava is amazing for tracking your runs and rides, but when you connect it with Zapier's automation workflow platform, it turns into your personal fitness command center. You can log every new run to Google Sheets for progress tracking, post your weekly mileage to Slack to keep your training group motivated, or even trigger a celebration email every time you hit a new PR. With Zapier, there are thousands of ways to automate your Strava data and keep your goals front and center. Let me show you an example of how this could work. Let's say we want to log our Strava data into Google Sheets. To do this task, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I can say, log my Strava data into Google Sheets, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps I need to take to complete my Zap. To start your Zap, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Strava. First, I'll need to log into my account before configuring my steps. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Strava, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If this is your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with Selected Record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be chosen, so log into your Google account just like you did with your Strava account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps field. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Google Sheets account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever data is entered into my Strava account, it'll automatically be put into my Google spreadsheet as well. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below, and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.